Now, when we talk about passive income, stock market is a topic we simply can't overlook. But before you embark on your investment journey, the very first step is to choose the right brokerage account. Today, I want to share with you the three key factors that you should consider when selecting a brokerage account, and we'll also do a deep dive into an online brokerage account named Momo. The first feature that we need to look at is safety and security, because safety and security are of paramount importance when choosing a brokerage account. You need to ensure that your investments are protected and that the brokerage firm complies with industry regulations to safeguard your assets. Selecting a reliable brokerage will give you the peace of mind and will prevent any sudden loss of your funds. Second key consideration when choosing a brokerage account is the fee structure. Now, different brokerage firms may have a varying commission fees for trades, which can directly impact your investment returns. Hence, it's imperative to carefully evaluate the commission fees when selecting a brokerage account. Thirdly, an important consideration is the analysis function provided by the brokerage account. A robust analysis platform can offer valuable insights, research tools, and data to help you make informed investment decisions. Ensuring that the brokerage account offers the analytical tools you need is essential for successful investing. So, these were the three important factors that one can consider when choosing a brokerage account. And given these three factors, let's take a look at one of the beginner friendly platforms available, Momo. Momo is currently offering key bonus for new Australian investors. If you use the link given in the description, you will receive number 1, up to 10 free random stocks upon eligible deposits and account maintenance requirements. Secondly, you will get up to $2,000 brokerage free cards for both Aussie and US stocks for the first 30 days, which basically means that your brokerage fees are typically free for the first 30 days. Please note that there will be some pass-through fees and foreign exchange costs, which is not included. Now let's take a look at each of these three considerations. The first one we spoke about is safety and security. Momo is owned by Futu, which has a market capitalization of 15.2 billion as of October 2024 and is listed on the Nasdaq. Futu has been around for over 10 years, which is great because any publicly listed stockbroker must be more transparent due to increased financial scrutiny. Momo is also CHESS sponsored for ASX stocks, means for Australian stocks. CHESS stands for Clearing House Electronic Sub-Register System, which is a computer system used by the Australian Securities Exchange, commonly known as ASX, to record shareholdings and manage the settlement of share transactions. If your holdings are CHESS sponsored, it means that your shares are held directly under your own name as opposed to custodial arrangements where the broker owns them on your behalf. Momo now has a strategic partnership with Nasdaq and is hosting a global US stock paper trading competition. This competition offers you the opportunity to trade US stock with virtual funds. Every participant has the opportunity to share 20,000 USD worth of stock cash coupons every week for over 5 weeks. Each participant who signs up through the link will have free access to Nasdaq Total View market data. This competition will last only until November 16th, so join now. The second thing we need to consider is the fees. Now, there are usually two main fees that you need to look for when considering a broker to buy stock. First is called as a commission fee. Now, this is the fee that you pay the broker every time you buy or sell some shares. And if you look at the table here, it shows that Momo charges US $0.99 for up to 300 shares for US trading, which is a bit lower than competitors like CommSec and self-wealth. And for ASX trading, it will be noted when you search on top of the app if a stock is CHESS sponsored or not, and this will help you to calculate the cost of investing into it. To buy the US shares, you need to convert your Australian dollars into US dollars, and the FX fee is the fee you would be paying to convert your AUD into USD. Momo FX surcharges 55 pips added spread. This means that you need to pay 0.55 USD to convert every 100 Australian dollars. If you look at this table here, then CommSec charges about the same fees. Self-Wealth charges around 60 basic points, then it is around 0.6 USD per 100 Australian dollar, and Stake charges 70 bips, then it is 0.7 USD per 100 Australian dollar. So this is how much in USD you need to be paying each broker for every 100 Australian dollar converted. Now, it's not like that Momo is the cheapest broker in the market, but it is still better than, or maybe it's still cheaper than some of the other well-known brokers like CommSec, NabTrade, and Self-Worth. And the good news is that the current promotion will give you around $2,000 brokerage free cards for both Aussie and US stocks for 30 days. If you are a beginner with not that much money to begin with, you can potentially invest with smaller amounts without having to worry about the fees eating into your profits. The third thing that we look into is the features. Now, Momo offers powerful financial analysis tools like real-time quotes, 100 plus charting tools, and visualized financial indicators including PE, PB, PS3 dimensions, all for free. Momo is also suitable for both beginners and advanced users. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you got a better understanding of how to choose a good stock brokering account.
As a successful investor, my investment philosophy.
Do you want to be the one seen on NASDAQ Tower? Now you can win a chance. Come to Moomoo Paper Trading Challenge. See more of the market with 100% real-time level 2 stock quotes. Gain deeper insights with thousands of companies' financial data. And expand your investment skills through Moomoo's educational courses. Join the ride alongside 23 million global users paper trade without risk in real market conditions. Learn, trade, win. Join Moomoo Global Paper Trading Challenge. Supported by NASDAQ, earn the chance to split $200,000 cash rewards and be featured on NASDAQ Tower.